We are currently in Porous Town, Jamaica. We're gonna do a simple walk by of Porous Town. So I'm asking everyone here to subscribe, leave a like, and let's go. We're just gonna walk the whole stretch of Porous Town. Let's go. So we're gonna be starting from the Texaco gas station. That's this one that we're looking at now.
Of course, caller number one, Marshall, walking away with that $5 full credit.
I see what go on a moment, you know. What go on? What you there? Years we not come to my place, you know, man. Just a pass through back, you know. See place and just a long time, you know. Do a little walk by. Eh? Yeah, I show back the people how porous, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. See you, son, my brother.
What that?
This is Jamaica walk by, you know?
Jamaica Walker.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Walk by.
Yeah, so which other port you forward from?
We cook from Redberry,
Redberry.
Manchester here in a poor zone here.
So a place I run down here.
White I run slow.
Slow.
One look a boots up, you know.
Alright, what the eye name?
Yeah, name Alvin.
Alright, big up yourself,
Hold
Alvin.
up
I
and
don't
bless
know a
it.
thing go.
How was here, sir?
See it
Yeah,
there.
man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Morning, morning. Morning, mama. Yeah. Porous. A nice pumpkin, sweet potato, yam, tomato then red and nice and pretty, carrot. Yeah, man. There, Jamaica walk by, you know? Nice Porous Market. This is Porous Market House, you know? The roots, man. Yeah. Oh, you're not there, Canada? Don't know. Some fresh, brand new yang to touch the street. Nice bicycle shop. A nice yang. Hope you're winning now. want to give me a piece of DJ? Sister, you're a bad artist, you know. Jamaica walk by. Where say you want to give me a piece? Give me a piece of the camera now.
Freestyle to the camera. Meanwhile, me about the sip hot, you know, and you will burn up your lip. The girl them just a soup and go wind up them hip. You should have see how the girl pick them and skip. Hey, everybody have to ask a question. Who boil this soup? Bad man, we are no yes man. Tell them what the spice. Soup in the pot.
Yeah!
Up top.
See that? Show them in the pot. Show them in the pot.
Show them that pot.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Show them. Woo!
Show them that pot. Show them on a joke thing in that pot. You see it?
Cheers!
Show them that pot. You see it?
Cheers!
Stir up and go and put it on where you want to put it on.
Why me I go circle in a machine and forward back, you know?
Yeah man, go on and forward man.
Jamaica walk by, pour us with it, you see it?
This side there.
Alright, see that? See that?
Put it on the side. Look at it.
See
Put it
that?
on the side there. Put it on the side there.
See that? See which part him there?
Well Chelsea.
Cheers! Well, Chelsea there.
Okay?
Bad artist, you hear that? Oh, fire with the honey them. See Jamaica, see them? How we do it? Nice honey them in a bucket. Natural, you know? Yeah? Natural. Yes, sir. Tell me somebody, give me a look at some about the roots now.
Stamina roots, man. Chang up your back, man. Chang up your woody root, man.
Alright, which part then can I find you?
Right, you're saying I reach us Manchester, man.
Alright.
Right for the forward there when you call for
See it? See which part him there? Jamaica walk by, remember. And like, subscribe and share. See the roots man are right in a pour us. You see me? Honey. What the I name?
You don't know, say I'm Miggy Ziggy, man. Just get
Alright.
busy, man.
Alright.
Yes.
Big up yourself. When we talk about cool skill, it's a cool skill here. What's the nuts, eh? Good old cool skill in Jamaica, you know what I mean? That's how them pack it up, the cool skin, you know? Where's the nuts, eh? Big up yourself, see nuts man in the pour us.
Yeah, man, Sinaki.
Alright, big up yourself. we at Porus Police Station. Police station clean and nice. Porus is pretty clean. It's beautiful. Not very active today, but it was very clean place. Yeah, can't compare Porus to Mandeville town. You know, very nice, clean place. So right now this is Porus Primary School. Porus Primary. All of the persons who used to go Porus Primary, you know, yeah. Lot of new buildings. Yeah. As I said, Porus is a very clean place so far. Let me observe. Yeah, it was a great walk. Remember, please like, share, comment on this video, give it a thumbs up. Walking through Porus, heading up to the Unipet gas station. So from the Texaco gas station to the Unipet, just to show you a little synopsis of how the town looks. Furniture store. This is the Unipet. Yeah. Jamaica Welfare Center. Porus Community Center here. Yeah. As I said, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like and share this, and also leave a comment. Porus Town.